Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Depende kung kano saan ninyo tanaw. So we are on to the second to the last reporter, which is us, entitled about Justice as Fairness, Chapter 4. So first, we'll define what is justice and what is fairness. So, justice refers to kanang mga moral and legal principles nga ensure that individuals or katong mga grupo are treated fairly and impartially. So, it involves giving people what they are due, kung say deserve nila. So, they should be accountable of their actions, whether it is a punishment, a reward, or a protection of rights. So, justice is often associated with laws, ethics, and social norms. Well, fairness refers to treating people equally and justly without favoritism, bias, and discrimination. So, it involves na i-ensure nga ang kadaghanan is given the same opportunities, given the same rights, and treatments under similar circumstances. So, fairness also means that making decisions based on kanabitang mga facts, based on reasons and ethical considerations rather than personal preference or prejudice. Fairness kay dili pasabot na kanang pariha og trato tanan. Naapot ang uban po ng fairness pod kay kuan bitaw ka na ang do lahi-lahi og trato pero you have been given the same opportunities. As you can see here on the first picture na ay nakabarong nagtungkol sa coin and the workers hard work para mabuild na siya. So, mura bitaw siya na-explains nga there's one person kana ang great lang sa labor sa kadaghanan sa tao. Kaniya na bitaw. One of its examples sa na kung ano kay kana bitaw mga farmers. Ang explain ko na nga picture kay expulsion. Ang mga farmers dili ma-appreciate ilang efforts tungod kay naa sila behind that. 'Di ba? Pareha na nga picture kani kibali imagine kaning taong maligyahin ni sila bugas siya kay na naman siya company igo lang siya magdawat og money wala na niya na try ang hard work kung saan pag-ani unsaon pag ingana and these workers are farmers examples. So waya na appreciate ilang efforts waya nakita sa mga tao nga they are kuan bitaw ko naghago sila effort to build a foundation into that kind of person. Next picture shows privilege. Diri sa left side nag-escalator ang mga high nga mga tawo, mga professional while on the right side kay mga igo lang na mga tao using stairs. So, this picture shows privilege kay once you are professional, once you are a good background, na privilege nga mas mapadali ang imong pag-adto sa kanang destinations while others lumalaban ng patas. Like sa kana pong mga narbaho ta. On the left side explains ka nang ug nakay backer mas mapadali gyud mo kay tungod kay nakay background imong papa mayor nga mas mapadali ang pag kuan mo sa imong trabaho while others nag hard work grabing panghitag pa narbaho lumalaban ng patas tungod kay wa sila privilege. The last picture shows inequality. There's one person here nga halos katuwa na sa kalibutan niya na natag-iyahan but still not enough sa iyaha. So, inequality. While others diri sa ubos naglisod na o bahin-bahin sa space tungod sa kadaghan sa tawo nagkuha ng mga building, inequality ang distribution of bitaw ka ng lugar. Dili tungod kay dato sila, magdako silang space. Para ito sa cemetery. Kuan siya, once dato ka, dakog space imo bisag isa rin matay. Walang uban na tabon-tabonan na, tungod kay di man ka afford anay walang paghatag sa spaces kay lagi walay kwarta. The Theory of Justice si John Rawls. Sa John Rawls kay sikat nga influencer, political philosopher, and ethics. Na siya gimo nga libro which is The Theory of Justice nga ni-develop tong 2001. Gitawag na siya karon og Justice as Fairness. Kaning Theory of Justice will be explained further by the next reporter. So, how does John Rawls view the role of justice in society? Well, katong nakakuan sa iyang libro, ano iba sa tanan? Katong sa iyang libro nga ang iyang pananaw sa society, it should be equal, it should be fair, equal in distribution of opportunities, fair sa pagtrato sa mga tao, paghatag og opportunities. Mao nay pananaw ni John Rawls sa society ug ingana ang gusto nga mahitabo niya. While sa ato na hitabo karon, ang hustisya ay para lang sa mayaman, right?
Good evening, everyone. I'm Maria Luisa Eixana, and I am the next reporter. Let me read first the PPT. Justice is the first virtue of social institutions, as truth is system of thought. A theory, however elegant and economical, must be rejected or revised if it's untrue. Likewise, laws and institutions, no matter how efficient and well organized, must be reformed and abolished if they are unjust. Each person possesses an inviolability founded on justice that even the welfare of the society as a whole cannot override. For this reason, justice derives that the loss of freedom for some is made right by greater good shown by others. Being first virtues of human activities, truth and justice are uncompromising. So let's proceed to the definitions of justice, fairness, and equality. Justice refers to the principle of moral rightness and fairness, often associated with the law and how societies treat each other. It involves the idea of giving people what they are due or deserve based on established laws, ethical standards, and societal norms. It is principles of giving each individual what they are due, and it involves ensuring that the people receive what they deserve. Fairness is about making decisions or judgments that are just. It implies everyone is treated in a way that respects their rights. It also ensures that no one is unjustly disadvantaged. And also fairness is free from bias or favoritism. It is closely related to justice. It often focuses on the process and procedure used to achieve just outcomes. And the third one is equality. Equality is treating everyone the same or giving everyone the same opportunities and resources. So I will give examples each to really understand the justice, fairness, and equality. So sa justice, one of my examples kanang kawatan. So meaning kawatan, nangawat ka og butang or anything and then nakakause kag harm sa society and also to the victim. So sa justice, it is required to repay the value of stolen goods and face additional legal penalties. So matubang gid kag mga punishment because of your wrongdoing act. And for fairness, same example sa kawatan. If two individuals commit a crime in similar circumstances, they should face similar punishment. Fairness ensures that their background, motivations, or wealth and status do not bias the outcome. So meaning sa fairness, mapapobre or mapadato. Kung same sila gibuhat, same pud ang like punishment, walay bias kay siya dato siya kay siya dato siya exemption na siya sa kanang punishment, diba? Bias yun ang uban char. Bitaw sa fairness, like dapat ang pobre ug ang dato, if mag-commit sila og crime, wala dapat bias. Like, ang dahilan sa pobre kay mangawat siya kay tungod wa sila pagkaon or lack sila og resources. Then sa dato kay personal interest or unsa pa man ilang like reason para mag-commit og crime, dapat fair sila mo makadawat og punishment, ma-receive kung unsa ang consequence nga dapat deserve sa ilang gibuhat. Then sa equality means applying the same law to everyone who steals regardless to their circumstances or regardless of their gender, race, like equality, equal nga pag sunod og paghatag og law sa tanan, like equal, same law. So pag mangawat ka, there's a legal penalty for that action that you made. So for the next slide, Rawls proposes justice fairness as an ethical framework. This framework focuses on how justice distributed that would produce fairness for those who have more and those who have less. The term refers not to equality but to equity. So si Rawls gipropose ini nga framework para makaproduce og fairness and evenly distribute the fairness for those more and for those who have less. Like sa mapapobre or mapadato. So kani nga term dili nagpasabot for equality but to equity, meaning sa equity is to giving what the individual need, like atong i-sustain unsa ilahang mga kinahanglan, ana makuha na to hatag na to unsay kinahanglan in each individual.
Good evening, everyone. I am Harjune Fave and I'm the next reporter. So, inequality, unequal access to opportunities. So, diri gipakita sa picture is naay duha ka bata na gusto mo kuhag apple. Tapos, ang equality diri is ang isa lang ka bata ang nakakuha tapos ang isa wala. O if napansin ninyo, ang punuan is mas daghay bunga sa pikas nga bata kaysa sa isa, tapos dili straight ang punuan. Mao na mas naay nakuha ang isa ka bata. Ang isa ka bata is wala. Equality. Evenly distributed tools and assistance. So there is a equality is gihatagan sila pantay nga tools. So mao ni ang ladder. Gihatagan sila ladder nga same height. Pero di gyapon siya matawag nga equality kay ang isa ka bata nakakuha og apple tapos ang isa wala japon. So di gyapon siya matawag nga equality kay mas mas daghay bunga o mas nipabor ang mga apples sa pikas nga bata kaysa sa isa ka bata. So, equity. Custom tools that identify and address inequality. So, diri sa equity, gipakita na mas gipatasan ang height sa ladder sa isa ka bata na wala kayo bunga sa iyang gikuhaan. Tapos ang isa ka bata is maura gihapon iyang height sa iyang ladder kay mas abot man niya kaysa sa isa nga dili abot uba siya nakakuha dito sa equality. So mo to mas gipatasan kay nakita man diri nga dili pa dai sapat ang katason para makakuha siya og apple. Di pa sapat ang katason sa iyang ladder para makakuha siya og apple. So next is justice. Fixing the system to offer equality access to the vote, tools, and opportunities. So, diri gipakita sa justice is ang duha ka bata is same na silang height sa ladder, tapos ang punuan is straight na pod. Hatagan og justice tibale. Ang punuan gi-straight nila kay gibutangan niya og murag ko siya PC gani para mo ana diri tapos gilip na ay mga kahoy nga gitulod nga para mag straight jud siya. So mao nang diri sa justice gipakita na sila duha nakadawat na og apple nga pareha og height sa ladder og kuan tabi patas na ba wala nay mas pabor siya mas kuan diri ana. So mao na ang justice. So next is equality, equity, and reality. So, data first sa equality. Equality, mao nga tawag siyang equality kay equal man ang gihatag nga support sa ila. Gihatagan sila same height, same number of box para support sa ila para motanaw og baseball game. So, there is a equity na pod katong mas taas sa ila gihatag ang kay napansin man diri nga dili wala kakita ang pinakagamay sa ila. So katong pinakataas gihatag niya ang iyang box sa usa ka bata sa isa ka katong pinakamubo sa ila gihatag niya ang iyang box kay kita man niya nga dili makita sa dula so iyang gihatag. But there is a reality pod is katong taas is mas nagpataas pa siya. Mao man jud ng reality maskin diri sa ato. Ang taas mas nagpataas, ang ubos mas gipaubos. So next is the original position. In a justice as fairness, the original position of equality corresponds to the state of nature in the traditional theory of the social contract. It understood as a purely hypothetical situation characterized so as to lead a certain conception of justice. So, justice and fairness is closely related naman siya. But ang nakaapan lang sa justice is means giving people what she or he deserve. When we said fairness naman po is mga judgment sa tao or references without bias. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Lizzie Marie M. Padilla and I will be the next reporter. John Rawls argues that in choosing principles by which we govern ourselves, we need to start from a situation he calls the original position. The original position is a hypothetical situation wherein everybody is behind the veil of ignorance. The veil of ignorance is a condition where one does not know his status, gender, profession, strength, intelligence, assets, handicaps, etc. When people are behind the veil of ignorance, they do not think of promoting their own interest because they do not know their exact position in the society. The veil of ignorance is a concept introduced by philosopher John Rawls in his work A Theory of Justice. It's a thought experiment designed to determine fair principles for structuring society. The idea is that when designing a fair society, individuals should make decisions without knowing any of their own personal characteristics or status like their race, gender, social class, abilities, or personal goals. By removing this knowledge, Rose argued individuals would choose principles that are just and unbiased since no one would be able to favor themselves over others. For example, equal pay. Suppose a group is tasked with designing a fair salary structure for a workplace. By using the veil of ignorance, they would make this decision without knowing their own gender, meaning they don't know whether they will end up being male, female, or non binary in the workplace. Under his hypothetical ignorance about their own gender, people are likely to advocate the policies that ensure equal pay for equal work, regardless of gender, since no one knows if they might be part of a group that historically earns less, such as women or other gender minorities. So they mean likely to support fair wage policies that prevent discrimination. So the veil of ignorance is in this case is pushes people to consider fair and equitable outcomes for everyone as they could end up in position that in that system. So other example is in parental leave policies. Imagine in a society that is developing policies for parental leave after the birth or adoption of a child, behind the veil of ignorance, policymakers do not know if they will be men or women, primary or secondary, caregivers, or face any particular social expectations based on their gender. So, in this lack of knowledge, they would likely advocate the policies that provide equal parental leave for all genders. Two principles of justice. The first called liberty principle means the rights and political goods should be distributed equally to all members in the society. Liberty principle, often associated with philosophers John Rawls, emphasizes that every individual has an equal right to basic freedoms and liberties. These rights should be compatible with similar rights for others. For example, freedom of speech in a democracy society. In a democracy, individuals have the right to express their opinions freely without fear of censorship or persecution. This right, however, is balanced by the principle that others have the same freedom. For instance, one person's freedom of speech cannot justify inciting violence or spreading harmful misinformation, as it would infringe on the right and safety of others. This principle ensures a fair and equal system of rights for all. The second principle, called difference principle, is interesting because it allows inequality as long as it benefits the worst off in the society. Difference principle, also from John Rawls' theory of justice, states that social and economic inequalities are acceptable if they benefit the least advantaged member of society. Here's an example: progressive taxation and social programs. In many countries, wealthier individuals and corporations are taxed at higher rate than those with lower incomes. The revenue collected is used to fund public services like healthcare, education, and social welfare programs that benefit disadvantaged groups. For instance, a government might use tax revenue to provide the education and scholarships to low-income students. This helps reduce inequalities by giving the less advantaged members of the society opportunities to succeed, while still allowing higher earners to maintain incentives for productivity. And that would be all.
Everyone, I am Shakira Bugahod and I will be discussing liberty principle. Each person is to have an equal right to the most extensive basic liberty compatible with a similar liberty for others. So, liberty principle means ang mga rights sa mga tao is equal and ang mga political goods or mga benefits or resources provided by the government should be distributed equally to all members in the society. So, liberty principle ensures na ang mga individuals is free sila to exercise their rights and katungod nga mo participate in societal decisions. So, liberty principle nang lead siya into fairness and respect sa tanan. Like for example, na isa ka citizen nga nag-criticize sa policy sa government about education. So, the liberty principle ensures nga kana nga person na siya yung right to speak out or express their views publicly. So, kani nga scenario illustrate how the liberty principles works. Kay it allows individuals nga mo speak or naay freedom but nakabalance siya sa freedom sa uban. So, next is the basic liberties granted by the liberty principle. So, first is political liberty. Refers to the basic rights na nag-allow sa mga individual nga mo participate in the political process. Rawls emphasizes and political liberty is crucial part siya sa society tungod kay i-ensure nga ang tanan citizen regardless sa ilang background is na ay equal opportunity to influence decisions. According to Rawls, also nga ang political liberty is one of the basic liberty na kinahanglan i-guarantee to everyone kay it helps ensure nga naay fairness o equity sa political system. So next is liberty of conscience and freedom of thought. So liberty of conscience. So liberty of conscience is kanang naay freedom to decide kung unsa ilang tuhan nga tama o mali based sa ilahang own reasonings, experience, or faith, or without being forced. So, like for example, Jehovah Witness patient refuses a blood transfusion tungod sa ilahang religious convictions. Even though ang doktor na nag-ingon nga kinahanglan niya blood transfusion to save her or his life, pero siya nisugot. Is freedom of thought. Refers to the fundamental rights and capacity of individuals to form, hold, at patrohon ilang naandan nga mga beliefs or opinions without punishment. Like for example, kanang mga nibalhin o mga religion. So next is freedom of the person. Refers to the fundamental rights sa mga individuals to live their life according to their own choices, beliefs, and desires. Nga walay naka-interrupt from external factors like for example kanang freedom to pursue goals, choose careers, form relationships, and express oneself. So number 4 is freedom from bribery, arrest, and seizure. So kaniya ensures that law enforcement or government officials dili basta-basta mo dakop or makuha sa mga belongings sa kada tao without evidence. It also protects human rights and nag-prevent of abuse of power sa mga authorities, especially if like, for example, ipasangilan ka nga namusil pero wala evidence. So kaniya siya i-ensure niya nga kanang naakay right nga mulaban ang i-ensure pod nga walay abuse nga mahitabo, and dili ka pwede dagkon nga walay proper evidence. So next is deference principle. Social and economic inequality should be arranged so that they are both first to the greatest benefit of the least advantaged persons. So it means that any social or economic inequality sa society is acceptable lang siya kung naka-improve siya sa well-being sa mga less advantaged members of the society. So next is attached to the officer and positions open to all under conditions for equality of opportunity. So kami nag-emphasize nga kung unsa man ka nga position, like for example manager ka sa sikat nga hotel, na manager ka kay tungod kay sa imong mga nag-base siya sa imong skills, efforts o qualifications nga walay favoritism. So this prescribed that social inequalities are to be arranged so that they would maximize the opportunities available for those who are least advantaged. Each individual has equal rights on society's goods. So, bisan na ay inequalities, kato nga mga inequalities like sa mga kwartaan, maghimo sila business, dili lang kay musamot sila para makwartaan, pero naka-benefit siya sa mga less advantaged. So, next is Rawls claims. All social values, liberty and opportunity, income and wealth, and the social basis of self-respect are to be distributed equally unless an equal distribution of any or all of these values is to everyone's advantage. So, tanan daw na social values like liberty and opportunity, income and wealth like financial resources, and the social basis of self-respect like dignity of respect is distributed siya equally para na ay equal fairness o equal access sa tanan unless na ay an equal distribution niya. Acceptable lang siya kung naka-benefit siya sa tanan, especially sa mga katong less advantaged.